We just got a package. We just got a package. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my crafting diary. So today the rest of my orders came. So um, let's get right into it. This is the plates, the cups, and the silverware. Then it came with some little I don't know what those is, like the little decorations for the table. Then I got 4 tablecloths of the purple. And then I got 1 of the green. More balloons. More balloons. And another set. And then I got the big cutout of the Princess and the Frog, Princess Tiana, or whatever her name is. Yeah, those are all the rest of the decorations. I still need to do the chip bags and the Capri Songs, and then the party is coming up soon, so you'll get to see me in action.